Hello everyone and welcome to Maths Revision with Jov. Today we'll be solving this problem. It says there are only 3 red counters and 5 yellow counters in a bag. At random I take 3 counters from the bag. What is the probability that I take exactly 1 red counter? We should probably go ahead and note that when it says take 3 counters from the bag at random, it means without replacement. So it's like you're taking all 3 at the same time. We can go ahead and visualise what these picks might look like. So we want the ones that contain only 1 red counter. So we want to pick 3 and want to look at the ones where there's only exactly 1 red counter. So we could take a red first time and then 2 yellows. We could pick a yellow, then a red, then another yellow. Or we could pick a yellow, another yellow, and then finally red. Now our problem is simple because we just need to find the probability of each of these scenarios. And then we can add them up at the end and that should give us our answer. So the first thing we want to do is we want to find the probability that we get red, yellow, yellow in that order. So the probability that we get a red first, well, we've got 3 red counters and that's out of a total 8. So we get a 3/8 chance because 3 plus 5 is 8. We then multiply this. Okay, so after 1 red's been taken, we only have 7 counters in the bag and we only have 2 more reds, but we still have 5 yellows. So we've got 5 and then the total in the bag is 7. And then similarly, we multiply by when we take 1 more yellow. So we've now got in the bag only 6. How many yellows have we got? Well, we had 5, we've taken 1. We've now got 4. And this comes out, 3 times 5 is 15, 15 times 4 is 60. Divided by 8 times 7 times 6. I can't do that in my head. Okay, so I think 8 times 7 times 6 is 336. You can double check that, but I think that's right. The second one, we can go ahead and do exactly the same process. So we pick a yellow. So we've got 5 yellows out of a total 8. We can multiply that by picking a red. So we've got 3 out of now 7. And finally multiply that by another yellow. So we've got 4 out of another 6. This actually gives us the same answer because it's just the numbers rearranged in a different order. So we've got 60 in 3, 3, 6. And then lastly, so we pick a yellow, so we got 5 out of 8. Then pick another yellow, so we've got 4 out of 7. And finally we pick a red, so we've got 3 out of 6. Notice again that it's the same numbers but in a different order. So we get, we actually get the same fraction for a third time. We get 60 out of 336. Finally, we can go ahead and add up these 3 probabilities. So 60 over 336 plus another 60. Oh, that's a 0 over 336 plus another 60 over 336. And that is just 3 lots of 60, so 180 divided by 336. Now, can this be simplified? We can go ahead and probably simplify this a bit. I think we can divide by 2 first of all, so that's 90, and then that divided by 2 is what, 168. We can divide by 2 again, 45 divided by 84. I think those both divide by 3. So we've got 15 divided by 28. And that looks like the simplest form, I believe. You can check that, but I think that is as simple as we can get it. So our answer to this question, the probability that I take exactly 1 red counter is 15/28. And I hope that helps.